It's Thanksgiving, and we're in the Rivian. I have the self-driving happening right here. It's steering and doing the gas. So for me, it's hanging a little bit too far to the passenger side of the road, and I prefer to be a little bit more on the left side. But generally, it's pretty good. I mean, you can see here. I do love the adaptive cruise control because it does lock into the car, the vehicle in front of it. We are stopping in San Bernardino, Rivian Adventure Network. I had a hard time getting that out, apparently. It's just right down here. It's kind of in a mall, or what used to be. Remember what malls were? I think there's a Rivian right there.
Drive northeast on Inland Center Drive, then turn right.
Yeah, there's another Rivian.
In 300 feet, turn right.
Okay, where are we going? Oh yeah, there they are right there, the little monoliths. It's hard to say.
Turn right.
Now, supposedly, we'll be able to charge for free.
400 feet, your destination will be on the right.
For the first, you can see it's super crowded. Oh, it's Thanksgiving night. Oh, what are we doing here?
Drive northwest, then turn left.
This
Turn
is
left.
kind of
Then
confusing.
turn left. Turn left. In 200
Interesting.
feet, turn right.
Because it's there, right? But the plug's on this side. It's on my side. That's kind of weird. Okay, I'm cracking myself up because I'm like, wait, how does this work? Why would you pull into the stall and this is too short and then you can't fit it there? It's because you pull up and then this one plugs into your car. So now we're gonna try this again. This picks it up, but this, no, I don't think it does. It's so clear. So we're pulling up a little closer here.
You're still in drive, yeah.
Yeah, I know. All right, now we're gonna put it in park and then we're gonna plug it in. All right, we're gonna pretend I didn't already open it. Ooh, first time. All right, here we go. Now, I don't know. I have no idea what's going to happen. So it's 37 cents after 10 minutes idle. Okay, that's if you don't like unplug it. It's 300 kilowatt. We're going to prep this thing. I need 2 hands. Pretty sure. No, I can do it with one. We're going to plug this bad boy in. I totally need to. I plugged it in. It says authorizing, but I thought I get free. So let's see what happens. Are we getting free? It says starting. Free would be really nice. Free feels right to me. This may take a moment. God damn. Come on. Come on, free. Yes. I don't know if it's free. Ooh. No, it looks like they're charging. But it is, look at that. That is so cool. Let's go take a quick little spin. I'm gonna jump back in the car. It's kind of chilly. There you go, look at that. We've actually used some of this battery. Oh, look, this is a mall. This is kind of sad. Look at all these closed mall locations. All right. The 80s are over. I'm a little disappointed because I thought I was getting free charging, but look, 70 cents. These prices are outrageous. Oh, sorry, maybe it's just me. Everyone else in the car's like, this guy's a clown. Oh, well. Seriously, though, maybe they'll credit me back. So this is what I'm hoping. They're going to be like, yeah, okay, if you were to pay, this would be the amount you're going to pay. But in reality, not so much. And then look at how fast it's going. That looks fast to me. 427 miles per hour. I don't feel like we're going that fast. All right. I wanted to give you one other cool feature. Now, even me, I thought, why is Rivian doing their own thing and not just using Google Maps or Apple Maps? Do they call it Apple Maps? Justine? I'm phoning a friend.
I don't think that's Apple Maps.
It's Apple's
Isn't
Maps.
Oh, it's connected to your phone or like?
No,
he's asking
you know,
if
like you
there's
have
even
Google.
such a thing.
You have Google Maps. What do they
Oh,
call?
yeah,
Apple Maps?
Yeah, Apple Maps.
That's so funny to you.
Yeah.
It's just me. Anyway, so Rivian's got their own, obviously, right? And I was like everybody else, I'm like, why are they doing that? Well, I'm sure it's for licensing, but still, it did a really cool thing. I have never seen this before. So we were going from like point A to point B, and then my wife's like, we need to get flowers. I don't think he quite said it like that. But like, we need to get flowers. And I'm like starving, and I'm like, no. So we deviate, we do what she wants. I didn't key it in here because my daughter had her phone going.
Really loud.
I know I'm loud. Deal with it. So we go over, let's say here, we're getting the flowers. What it did was it put everything on hold. Like the directions. We were going to go to this other house, and it's like, okay, I'll resume when you stop being a monkey and follow. Hang on, I don't want to go there. There we go. So it paused the directions automatically. I've never seen that with any GPS. Not Google, not Apple. It's
It usually
only
keeps saying make a U-turn.
right. It
make
just
a
keeps
U-turn.
talking to you like, okay, make a U-turn, recalculate. No, it's just like, hey, you're like going crazy here, so I'm gonna hang back while you figure out what's going on. When you're done arguing, getting your flowers, then I will resume. And then
Yeah, you were being patient.
I was starving though.
I know.
So for those of you with hypoglycemia, I'm pretty sure.
They know by
I'm
now.
pretty
they
sure
know.
my ailment is to that degree. Anywho, so yeah, but it works really well. It's very impressive. And there's nobody here. No one is, hello? It's just us. And where are we? We are at $5 and change. And I really am hoping that gets credited back to me magically. I swear that's what they were saying. Didn't they?
I heard
6 months
something.
of free charging.
Yeah, I heard that somewhere.
Did I not read the asterisk stuff? Anyway, we're at 40% already. I mean, it's hella fast. This is pretty impressive. If I go here to the charging info, we're not staying for 52 minutes for the record. We have plenty of miles to get home. But
How many miles is on? How far is it?
that's a good question. Well, I would key it in, but there's too much personal information.
That's for-
Hold on. Let's put this on pause. We think we're about 46 miles away. Or no, 30. Maybe we're 39 miles away. I don't know. I keyed it in the GPS.
No, because that just changed.
Yeah, no, that's not it. Anyway, it's on the GPS. You'll just have to trust me. So, but I tell you what though, it is, I'm going to go back to the other, can I flip the screen I can't on an iPhone. It's one thing I wish you could push the button and it would rotate.
Really?
Yeah, with
doesn't do
Google,
that?
you can do that.
Right?
You can just, in real time, like, there's an idea.
Yeah.
Come on, Apple.
Really?
Yeah,
That's
you can.
surprising.
Exactly.
You sure you just don't know a feature?
No, I'm telling you, there is. Anyway, what was I going to say?
I don't know.
Oh, man, it was really good content, too.
Sure.
Seriously depressing, man. The malls? What happened to the mall? And there's something used to be over there.
Oh, it's Thanksgiving.
I know. It's Thanksgiving.
No, guys, you don't understand. This is a mall on a normal day. I'm pretty sure.
I'm all in
This is a mall in America now. There's nothing, there's no name on that building.
Everybody shops on Amazon.
I know, even I do.
Yeah, you do.
I weigh too much.
Yeah.
Oh, well. So, yeah, we're probably going to tap out here in a minute because we have plenty of charge. And our dog is crossing her legs, we're pretty sure. So we have her in the laundry room.
Put your belt on. Don't you have to undo?
Oh, I got to unplug. You need to unplug. Yeah. I'm not used to this. I was just going to haul off. It wouldn't let me, I'm sure. But yeah, so anyway, that's interesting. What? How does it know? Oh, my wife turned it off. Jeez. All right, well, here you go. $7.62. So much for free. I mean, that's not that much, but still. All right, we're closing it up. We're heading home. I have the adaptive cruise control. Earlier, we were at 71. It's still set at 71. What it's doing, though, it's tracking. We're in traffic now. We're only doing 23 miles per hour. And it is keeping the distance with the semi in front of us. And the radar has it locked on. I really just have to lightly touch the steering wheel, and then it's content. I tried it once before, not touching the wheel at all, but that's really probably not safe at this point. I don't think it's as advanced as Tesla, but this is actually still really doing a good job. I just had one incident actually coming down where with the semi, I uncomfortably close next to it while we were in the lane. It was drifting it felt like it was drifting into it. So I think they still need to work out some of the measurements and distances, but right now it's dialed into this lane, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to switch lanes. I'm going to go to the right lane. I'm going to do the blinker. It's going to do the turning. It's doing the turning and the gas and everything. I didn't do a thing. That is so nice. We were just visiting some family in about an hour and a half away. And it's so nice after dinner and everything, and you're just like, I just don't want to have to focus as much. You still babysit it, but you're not like having to be intensely focused. It's definitely nice, but it works really well. I'm going to go back into let's wait for that car to go by. Okay, whoa, that's cool. That reminds me of Vegas speed. All right, here, I'm going to do left. It's going to do all that. It looks for that empty spot, and it changes lanes. Super cool. So one interesting thing that happened, and this has happened before, so this is the second time, probably in about a week since I've tried this. It'll get to a point, and I don't know if it just gets overwhelmed or what, but it just taps out. And basically what it does, it gives you like a quick little warning, and just immediately the regenerative braking kicks in, everything comes to a stop. Like, so you do have to pay attention, because if it's like you're braking in the middle of traffic, it's a bit dangerous, because the people behind you obviously could come at you even faster. It's just there isn't much of a warning, so it's good when it's less trafficy, but I'd be really careful when there's a lot of traffic like right now. We have the adaptive head beams on, and you can see I'm turning the wheel, and you see how it digitally like adds lights. It's so cool. Here, you'll see it more when I come up this way. Just kind of the center. Good turn. There, you can see the pattern. Cool. All right. It did actually end up being free. They give you a nice email summarizing everything, tells you the date, total number of kilowatt hours that were charged. So 762, but they credited me back. Enjoy the free Rivian charge for a limited time. So that is confirmed. And then there is the session details. We're there for 9 minutes, etc., etc. And there's the charger location where we were at. So all good, all wonderful. And if you found this content helpful, remember to give it a thumbs up. You know what to do. And y'all take care. Really appreciate it. Bye-bye.